Good morning, dear students. Today in English class, I am going to discuss another new page. Okay, another new topic. Having in your English book page number 58. Okay, so please all of you open page number 58 in your English book and watch the video very properly with the help of your parents. Dear students, first of all you have to write CLASS class. Then WORK work. This corner date, isn't it? So DATE date. Today's date is 23rd oblique month is 11 oblique 2021 is the year. Okay. So here you can see below each picture means some pictures given here and what we will do below each picture the naming word, the doing word or the describing word is given. So below each picture somewhere you can see some doing word, somewhere you can see some naming word and somewhere you can see some describing words. So what to do? But the vowels are missing. But vowels not given. Okay. So write the vowels in the blanks and say the words. First of all, you have to write the vowels, then complete the word, then you have to read it. Okay. And say the word. So, in earlier classes, we learned about vowels. Isn't it? Hope you remembered. Then also I am writing here A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels, isn't it? Total 5 vowels are there. So these vowels are missing. So first of all see two children, what they are doing? They are reading something. So this is the word is read, R-E-A-D, read. Okay. So read is the what? Doing word, isn't it? They are reading. They are doing one work that is called reading, isn't it? So this is the doing word. Next one, see what is the picture? Yes, this is a boat. So B-O-A-T, boat. Boat is a doing word, describing word or naming word. Yes, this is a naming word. Boat is a name. Next is see, this is the picture of, you all know about this. This is the moon. So M-O-O and moon. These are vowels, isn't it? In the middle, in the missing letters, these are vowels, isn't it? So moon is a naming word. Okay. Next is, what is this? You all know about this. This is a chair. So C-H-A-I-R, chair. These A and I are vowels. Okay. This is chair and next is, this is whenever the picture is about whenever we look at someone or something very secretly, means through a hole or the curtains, is called peeping. Okay, in Hindi we say jhankna or chup chup ke dekhna. So this is peeping. So peep, P-E-E-P, peep. Okay, and the man is peeping, okay, at something. Next is roar, lion. This is the lion, isn't it? Roar means to make loud or deep sound of a lion or other animal. So deep these animals, this is the lion. Lion's deep sound is R-O-A-R, roar. Okay. Next is, this is the leaf, no? Which color is this? This is green. So green is which word? Naming word, doing word or describing word? Yes, this is describing word. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green is describing word. In last class I told about this, isn't it? And peeping is a doing word. He is doing something, that is peeping, that is called peeping. So he is doing. Okay, the word is doing word and this is also doing word because the lion is making a sound, a deep loud sound is called roar. Okay, this is describing word. And here one picture of bread. You all know about this. This is BREAD, bread. Bread is a naming word. This is the name, no? And two person is there, two people is there. What they are doing? This is near, isn't it? Near means close to. Okay, means they are two people or two person, two men are close to each other. So NEA are near. E and A are vowels. Okay. So this is which word? This is describing word, isn't it? Not naming word, not doing word. They are not doing anything. They are not. This is the not name. This is not name, isn't it? This is describing word. Neared means pass. And one picture is see. The boy is going to eat burger. This is the burger, no? So he is using his teeth to cut it. This is called bite. B-I-T-E, bite. Bite is a doing word. He is doing, no? Next is, this is a painful part. This is the painful part of the body. See here, this is the thumb, isn't it? Is tied with bandage. Okay. So this is called sore. S-O-R-E. Sore. Okay. This is a describing word. Okay. Next is, this is the gate. You all know about this, that. So G-A-T-E, gate. Gate is a naming word, isn't it? Next one, see, one musical instrument. This is called flute. You all know about this. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Flute is a musical instrument. Okay. And flute is a naming word. Okay. Next is, we can say, in Hindi we say Mahatma. Okay. In Hindi, Mahatma, and we can say saint or sage also. So this the word is W-I-S-E, wise. Okay. Mahatma sadhu ko wise man bolte hain. Okay. So this is a describing word. Okay. Next is, this is a tree, isn't it? So when the tree like this, without leaves at all, there are no leaves, no, in this tree. So this is called bare. B-A-R-E, bare. Okay. And the word is describing word. Okay. Bare tree means without any leaves having in the tree. So I hope the chapter is and the topic is clear to you. You have to write this in your English book and learn this with the help of your parents. Okay.